From the photons traveling at the speed of light to vibrating particles, from the tiniest of atoms to the mightiest of galaxies spanning billions of light years, everything runs on a set of principles. And the same principles that govern the cosmos govern our life too. Knowing these laws will change the way you see life. Let's get started. 5 physics laws that will change how you see life. Law 1. Law of entropy. Everything in the universe moves towards disorder unless you actively add energy to maintain it. Your body, your relationship, your business, they all decay by default. That's how reality works. The only way to protect what is important is by maintaining it and by adding energy to it constantly. Lesson: intention and maintenance is energy against entropy. That is how you tell universe that you love something and you want to protect it. Law 2. Friction wastes your energy. When you have less friction, it means you get more output from the same energy. But with friction, it dissipates all your energy, it bleeds your motion away as wasted heat. Take a look at your life. Toxic people, drama, overthinking, endless distractions. These are your frictions. They dissipate your energy into nothing. Lesson: audit your life and cut the frictions. They may be even silent, but they are killing your potential. Reduce it ruthlessly and live life to the fullest. Law 3. Law of resonance. When pendulums are placed side by side, they will eventually swing in sync, even if they started completely out of rhythm. This is resonance. It's not magic, it's pure physics. Everything is vibrations and frequency. Your vibration is completely dependent on the people you surround yourself with and the ideas and the thoughts you consume and entertain. If you want to change what you are resonating with. Lesson: choose your frequency carefully. That will change your life. Law 4. Law of critical mass. Water may go from 80 to 99 degrees Celsius and nothing happens. Add 1 more degree, it explodes into steam. This is called phase transition. Systems transform suddenly when they hit a critical threshold. In your life, you may work for months with no visible change. You show up every day and feel like nothing's moving, like you are stuck. Maybe you're not stuck, you are just at 99 degrees. You're 1 degree away from a complete transformation. Lesson: don't give up too early. Law 5. Law of leverage. Give me a lever long enough and I shall move the world. Archimedes said that 2000 years ago. A lever multiplies the energy you already have. You feel like your ideas are not working? Maybe you need the right leverage. You need the right language, right location, or right set of people. Find what your leverage is and go after it. Don't just work hard. Find your leverage and work smart. Successful people, they just have better leverage. Remember, the same laws that moves planets and galaxies, they also move you. Learn them, respect them, start flowing with it. Which law hit you the hardest? Drop it below. Thank you.